welcome back to our channel. I think this is going to be the opening for the next vlog that will be released on next Friday. So y'all, we just finished with our lunch at IKEA. We did the, what did we do? We did the fifth food vlog.
Yeah.
Yes, fifth food vlog here at IKEA here in Buckhead. And we did the Branzino fish.
It was great. And what else do we have? It was like Lebanese rice.
Oh, it was so good.
And what else was that? Oh, and then we had something like a strawberry shortcake and the Dubai chocolate.
Oh my gosh, y'all! Oh my goodness, y'all gotta come. You got to
come. Are in Atlanta, come here.
Yes.
I said it. I don't even have a wide palette. Come here. Okay, so we just left the nail salon and I got French tip nails. So this is what they look like. She did such a great job. I haven't had French in forever. But I was like, I think I want something that's, you know, classic other than the classic red. So I decided to get this and I really like it. I was gonna get these flowers, like kind of like a trim, like a border, but she didn't know how to do it. So I was just like, let's just go with the French. And so she did a great job. So I'm excited.
So you just do it at this point then?
For a book one?
And then this one has a melon.
And it gives the 20%.
Thank you. Oh. So guys, I'm just putting on a little bit of chapstick, but I'm about to show you guys some pieces that I just got. Keandra and I went to H&M yesterday, and we picked up just a couple of dresses, and then we purchased some stuff off of Banana Republic factory that I don't know how it looks like on me, and I don't know what the sizing is like, so I'm about to try that on for you guys too. So that's going to be the first time that I try that on. But first, I'm going to try on this beautiful dress here. You can't really see it all that well because obviously you can't see the length of it, but that's why I brought in also my light, because I want you guys to really be able to see like what this looks like and stuff like that. So I'm about to put this on so that you guys can see what it looks like and all of that. I expect to wear, I'm planning to wear this like more close, like closer to the fall, so I can wear with my suede boots and stuff like that. I'm excited. Okay, so this is the dress. You should be able to see it like on this side here, fully, and it is just a maxi length dress. I love the length of this dress because I am 5'9", so it looks like a maxi dress. It doesn't look like a midi. I love that. And it has this belted part here. Like it's just a kind of a, not rope, but like just a thin belt. And what I plan to do, so I can wear it loose without having anything on it, which is kind of cute. It's actually like that, like something nice and flowy. But I'm going to tie it in the back so that it can be cinched in the waist and kind of show my shape a little bit more. And then it has buttons all the way down to the floor. So like it has these covered buttons here, but I am gonna keep these open for just to keep my neckline open. And then the bottom ones open so they can kind of look like a little split. I like that too. And then I plan to like wear this with, like I said, with boots. But if I kind of get a little antsy a little bit and want to wear it before the fall, I'll probably wear it with my jelly sandals from Zara. So the cool thing about this is, yeah, I can belt it toward the back. Then I also can belt it like it normally would go and cinch the waist and, you know, do all the cute stuff with it. Like, there are so many different options for this dress, and I really like that. I love versatility. I love being able to get multiple uses out of something. I absolutely love these sleeves. These don't have a stretchy wrist, which I like that about this dress. And then it has, so it's like a puffy sleeve, and it's got the gathers here, so it kind of gives you a little drama here. And if you buttoned it all the way, it gives you a rounded neckline, which is nice. It's really flattering. So yeah, I really like this. I love the sheen on this dress. It makes it look like a higher quality fabric, and so it makes it look a little bit more expensive than what it is, and not from H&M. So it kind of gives it a little Free People vibes. So I like that. We like the vibes, and then without having to spend all the money all the time. So I love that. Can't wait to do rings with this, shoes, the whole 9, earrings. I have a pair of floral earrings. I'm gonna put those on for you right quick. So I have these from Zara. If you guys saw our vlog, I think the last Friday vlog, you would have seen me buying these. And I like these with this because it's a floral dress, and I kind of like playing on the whimsy of this, and it kind of gives it like a whimsical vibe. And I absolutely love this. Hair will not be like this, but yeah, I like the vibe. Like, I like that, especially like with the boot. It gives it a very fall-esque vibe. Like, this dress, it gives spring, it gives summer, but it really gives fall. Like the colors and all the stuff in it. I think this is like more, it gives me ragweed. Like, I'm about to be sneezing everywhere. So it kind of gives me like wheat vibes, bohemian vibes, you know, things like that. And so I always think about fall and for that. So yeah, I am super excited about this one. Only thing I hate, it doesn't have pockets. I wish this dress had pockets. Like, you need somewhere to rest your hands. Like, we never know what to do with our hands. So, but let me show you guys the next looks. Okay, so now that was a dress, and so now I'm gonna try on these 2 sets. These are definitely fall sets. The way that it's been lately for the weather, I probably have worn these today because it's like been in like the high 70s and stuff like that. And if you know me by now, you know I like to be warm. But so these are just little barrel pants and sweatshirts, and they're like supposed to be a scuba material. They don't really look like it. They look like just regular knit cotton type material, but we will see. And this one actually came a lot darker than what it looks like on the website. It looked white on their website. It looks like a nice khaki sand type of situation. And then of course I got black, because you always got to get black. And so I'm going to try these on right now. Okay, so here is the set in the light khaki kind of color. I'm not a fan of the color. Unfortunately, I can't return these, so I'm stuck with them. But not a huge fan of the color. I got an extra large in the pants and the top, which I'm cool with the fit, like the size fit. There's not very much like barreling. I don't know if it's because I need to iron them or whatever, but and then the stretch waist on the sweatshirt is not so amazing. I probably would wear the sweatshirt with something else. I don't know. I have to see, like, with my fall jackets, like, if it's gonna give me the vibe that I was wanting and what I was going for. It's not. I just threw on a pair of sandals too, just to kind of, but that doesn't really help either because they're not the right color. But yeah, I'm not feeling it in this color for sure. I might like it better in the black, but yeah, I might like it better in the black. It feels good though. It feels really good. It doesn't feel like the scuba material that I'm used to. I like that this has pockets. I like how the back pockets are there and the front pockets, like the just regular traditional pockets. I like that. I like the sleeve here. It gives it like a cuter sweatshirt. Like, it's not as traditional, but I like that. It gives like a little elevated style to it. But yeah, I like the crop pants too. I was gonna wear sneakers with this, but I don't think I'm gonna do sneakers either, but I'll just have to play around with it and see. If not, we can always take these to Goodwill. Okay, so here is the black set, and I do kind of like this one a little bit better, only because it's black. It still has the same kind of sleeves, but everything is always better in black, if you haven't heard. Keandra even said that these pants seem to do more of a barrel, and it could be that they're fitted in the thigh. For me, on the website, they didn't look like an extreme barrel either. They did look a little bit more like a wide leg, but the girl, her pants were a lot more relaxed in the thigh area too. So that could definitely be a thing. So, but this one I can see better. I want to get a pair of the 927 New Balance sneakers, the black ones with the white trim and the gum sole. I want to get those, and I think that'll be really cute. And then like with my windbreaker trench that I got last year from Target, and that would be really cute. And I was actually planning on doing the tan one with the white set, but I also remembered that because the color is not the same color, like not anywhere close to the color of what they showed online, I might be able to call them and just ask them, can I do like a gift card exchange or something like that, to return them and get something else maybe. But I don't know, we'll see. So I like this one a lot better. And this one is giving a lot more again. It's not as like barrel-y, but these do seem to barrel more. And I can see this one a bit better. So I like this set or this color a lot more.